Hello guys, I'm going to show you my Tornado. It's a A1 and the number is 60163. I bought it in a watercress line in 2013 with a Pullman coach, which I'm going to show you later. It's a railway road one, and I really like it. It costs quite a lot of money, but I've got it because of sadly my grandpa died in 2012, and I've got off his money of all the grandchildren. There's 5 grandchildren including me, and we got £1,000 each, so I bought a Tornado and a auto coach, which is in a bottom red drawer, so I need to take it out. Actually, it's not the bottom one, it's the other one. So I'm going to put it on a track and then you can see it better. Just bear with me. Just going to shut the drawer. So I'm going to put my phone here, and without getting, hopefully, are you going down slowly? So put it on the track I coupled on. Just move it a slight more so you can see a bit of it. So I'm gonna lift up my phone. So here's the Pullman coach I've got with my grandpa's money. I quite like to put people in it, but I'm too scared to stick the men or ladies in, but I would like to do it in the future. So I'm going to show it light up, because it lights up whilst the engine is moving. So I'm gonna go to my controller, which is quite a big one. So that's this circle bit is control the inner line, and that one control the outer line. So I need an inner line, and then it should work. And are you gonna work? Or are you gonna flash? So I might have to push it a slight tad. There you go. It lights up. It might be a bit stucky, Tornado, because I haven't run it for a while. It's a really nice looking engine. I I'm really pleased I bought it off £1,000. I do miss my grandpa a lot. It's like it's a engine reminding of him. So hopefully in the future I'll be able to put the people in. I'm not sure how to do it, but I might have to lift the roof off. And it got derailed again. Naughty. Oh dear, tornadoes got derailed. I don't know how it got derailed, but I'm going to hopefully put it on a track. So I'll put it on a track and then give it a tiny bit of juice and then leave it there. So I'll put it like that. So there's loads of seats to put people in. And there's my Tornado. Like, subscribe, thank you, bye.